Okay, so I just did another 400% in profit. Okay, that is so easy and it's so crazy. Now, doesn't matter when the market go up or down. The best is when the market is down to get involved in crypto. So check this out. Do you know Okta? Well, I don't know. I don't have clue what is this. Well, I got in. And the only reason I got in, I will tell you later. But I got in around 40-45 cents. And that was few months ago, and now it's 180 all-time high. Okay, and I took some profits. I cash some profits. That's very important. You must cash profits when you are in profit. Okay, now that's the best stuff. It depends when you watch this video. The market can go up or the market can be down, but don't miss portfolio masters. They are the reason why I am getting into so many crypto gems. That's the secret for me when I'm getting into low market cap tokens, because everybody asks me, hey Phil, what tokens to buy and all that stuff. Well, how I know? There are what, 20,000 tokens? Okay, coins, 14,000 coins. How many are good? Probably 200, maybe 100. Most of them are garbage. But how to narrow your research, and these guys can do that for you. And do you know what's the best stuff? It's extremely free, or you pay very small amount. Again, let me go and explain about portfolio masters, why I think it's a must join place, okay, especially for the free Telegram group. Now, check this out. So what they doing, there are few people, 4 of them actually. They join forces together and they're finding low market cap tokens. This one, Okta, is only 50 million market cap. The chance to go over 200 million, 500 million, maybe a billion, but even let's say 500 million when the Bitcoin going to hit 100K, it's high. So that's around 10x from now. This will be around what will be 50 cents, 100x from when these guys told me to get. All right, so again, let's go and let me explain you how they working. Now, just disclaimer, this is crypto. Everything is extremely risky. Okay, please only risk capital. This video is not for investment. This video is only for education and entertainment purposes only. Okay, not financial advice, remember that. So check this out. So portfolio masters, okay, what you need to do is, this is what they offer. This is their website. You go and check them out. So they finding low crypto market cap tokens between 10, 15, 5 million market cap, 50 million market cap, and they're saying, okay, this is when we're getting, this is how much we're getting, and it's all with proof. If you go here in their, this is the free Telegram. I'm going to leave the link down in the description. So if you go there, you will see that they made 400% gains, and their next target is $5 when they're taking profits. The next target after that will be $10 when they're taking profits. So that's the best stuff. So here you will see they posted on November 12th. So that's last year. That's like 6 months ago. Okay, I don't know, November, December, January, February, like 6-7 months ago. This is how much they bought for $300. They don't buying 100,000. They're buying a few hundred, because most of the people are like me, you, and them. Okay, we don't have thousands and thousands to drop in the crypto. I don't, maybe you have. Well, that's your problem there. Less money, less problem, believe me. So this is when they buying. Okay, they doing DCA on the way down, and also they selling on the way up. So they have their own strategy. So how to join, I will leave the link down in the description. So here, what you going from them: small, medium market cap, project with real world utility, strong fundamentals, real-time portfolio moves, diverse narratives, and in-depth research. So they're finding the project, they give you huge article, and they will tell you why they think is good, what they think they can be the price appreciation upside. Okay, and they say, okay, this is what we're buying. This is one of the best performance. They need to update this one. It's Clore AI. Okay, Clore AI. Here you can go and see everything. Okay, how much they did, what they did. 800% profits, 972% profit. Okay, that's crazy. Okay, Credify. Okay, 1250% profit. Okay, that's crazy. LCX, let's check. 1000% profit. We're talking about 10x here. This one, index 536% profit. Okay, this is their live performance, how much they move, unrealized profits, how much they hold, best performance, and so on and so on. Okay, this is the worst performance. Also, they have like 50 tokens, not all of them will be the best one. POW blocks -97, so that's scratch on. They have around 55 tokens. They give you 1 token a week or maybe every 2 weeks. So they're doing all the research for you and for me, and they're saying when they're buying and how much they're buying. Okay, now use the link down in the description to get the free group if you want to join the VIP group, where you can explore everything what they have, how much they have, when they're buying, how much they're buying. Get 20% discount only if you're using my code they're giving for that till the end of this month. I choked myself. So make sure you use my code, get 20% off. Check this out, 3 months plan with 20% off is only 130 bucks. That's cheap according to me. 1 year, only 400 bucks for 1 year. And if you only hit one with 50 bucks, if they do 5-10x, you already pay off. I paid off many times this one. All right, lifetime 700 bucks for lifetime with the discount. All right, and also many YouTubers did the video. And what else can I say? Okay, well done to these guys. I'm going to keep follow them. I highly suggest go and join the free group, see what they're doing. Also in the free group they mention a lot of things, but if you have opportunity to join the paid group, definitely pay for a year, leave it and forget it, because now is the time to act. Go and check their tokens, find what's on deep, and then that's what I'm doing. I'll find what's on deep. I'm doing DCA on the way down, and I'm relaxing, waiting for the next few months, 1 year, when everything is up, just selling and take profits. All right, love you all, goodbye. I will see you in the next one.